good? What's poppin'? It's your boy Mo, and hold on, and I'm back with another video. What's good? What's poppin'? It's your boy Mo, and
Yo, I got all these girls, but don't know what to do with them. I do it for my fam. Nobody but God know. I'm African boy. I came up from the bottom, and I could be in the bed, but you know I ain't tryna waste no time. No time. This guy gave me another day of grind. Got money on my mind.
Because they ate a bat.
Okay, so
They ate a bat.
I came to the beauty supply
What's
because
up?
I need to get some wave supplies. I'm gonna go back on waves. So let's go, and I'm gonna take y'all to the beauty supply so we can see what we all getting today. You know, we all getting today.
You should have restarted that. Because I was talking about bats. Who talks about bats in YouTube?
Okay, now I gotta go find some wave products. You know, let's go find the wave products. There we go. Right here. Found it. Found them all. There they all go right here. Right there. There's so many choices that I don't even know which one to get. Like, I don't know which one to get. I'm gonna choose one right here. I'm gonna choose one. See that? Got the do-rags on deck. Got the do-rags on deck. Excuse me, ma'am?
Yes.
Do you know where the brush is at for waves?
Down out 4.
Aisle 4? Okay. Aisle 4 is where the brush is at, so we gotta go find the brushes. Let's see. You know, waves on deck. Oh, here go all the brushes. I just gotta find the right brush for me. I already got the do-rags, now I just gotta get the brush. I need that curved brush. I need a soft brush, medium brush, all that. So we're here at Walmart. I'm probably not gonna get nothing, but I probably might get some shampoo though. Might. I might not. Walmart. They was getting wipes because they don't want to catch that cold roll. Walmart. Huh? Okay. We're gonna get some towels. I just need some shampoo first. Do we have shampoo at home? Do we have shampoo at home? She don't got a screen protector. Say hi. So, her phone fell, but it's not cracked. It cracked?
It has some stuff on it and it's scratched.
You just want somebody's phone to crack.
Me?
It cracked just a little bit. Just a little bit. Watch out. Ooh. Let's go find. It's almost Easter. It's almost Easter. Gotta find where the shampoo is at. I gotta find some good shampoo. There's some hair dyes. I gotta find like some good shampoo. Like, I don't know where to find one at. Probably right. Let's see here. Some good shampoo. Curl. It says curl shine conditioner. I need some shampoo like. Found the shampoo right here. Boom. Shampoo. We're gonna get that. And we're gonna get ready to go. So I got the shampoo. we're gonna go find my peoples, and then we're gonna go home, and I'm gonna start the 360 wave process. Huh? Huh?
Looking for my mom.
Where's she at? There she go.
That's how you want?
Huh?
That's how you want?
That's how what?
That's how you want?
Yep.
That's how you want?
No, you ain't.
And that's how you want?
Look up. Look up. Ew. 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 I'm not deleting it. I'm posting it. I am posting it. I'm posting it.
Okay. Tomorrow is Thursday.
What's good, y'all? So today's video is a little different, you know. I decided to go back to waves. You know, I had the waves back in the old days. Now look at this picture. Boom. Wave picture. And look at this one. Boom. Wave picture. You know, I was swimming. And if you look at this.
Oh! Somebody! Oh!
Shaking my head. You know, I'm like, I gotta come back on the swim. I cut my hair. So, let me show y'all first the equipment I got from the beauty supply, and then we'll go from there. So I got a comb. I got another comb. I don't even know why I got these right here, but I don't know why I got both of them. They're kind of the same thing. But I got this one. Let me show y'all. I got the Bow Wow Back Pocket Wave Luxury Wave Brush. It's a medium. It's a soft brush. They said they didn't have all the brushes, so I just got the soft. And then I got this right here. Like one side is medium and one side is hard. It's still a curved brush. I think this should be good for waves till they have the other one. And then I got these three do-rags. These three do-rags right here. I got these right here. I had got much more, but then I just said no. And then I got this right here and the wave butter, you know. So, ooh, I gotta make a thumbnail with these. Let's see how it goes. Okay, that should be good. So, I'll be right back. I'm gonna show y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and unpack these right here and show y'all what the do-rags are looking like, and I'll be right back. Alright y'all, so I'm finna unpack it. Finna unpack so y'all can see what it look like, so I could go ahead, hop in the shower, wash my hair, and then we gonna come out here and start a brush session for week 1, you know what I'm saying? First we got the silky do-rag, you know. Ooh. Ooh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You know. And we dripped out with the do-rags, you know? Dripped out. Let's get do-rag number 1, number 2. So we got the pink and orange. And now we got the purple velvet do-rag, you know. Let's see what this looking like. This ain't purple, this is blue. Unless I'm seeing something else, but this is blue. I'm still messing with it though. Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. Velvet on deck. Get that slime green. Neon green. Oh. Yes, sir. Oof. Sissy there, boy. Ooh, that hurt. That slime, boy. That green sissy there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna hop in the shower and then we're gonna start this brush session. Alright, y'all. I just got out the shower. Now it's time to hit that brush session. So, you know what I just realized? I just realized that I forgot to get a mirror. I forgot to get a mirror. But it's all cool. I'm gonna just brush in front of the mirror. This mirror right here. Like, I don't know if y'all can see this mirror right here. And then, alright, and then I'll just buy a mirror some other day. So let's go ahead and hit that brush session. My hair is wet right now, so we're gonna brush my hair till it's dry. Hold up, is it me or am I start getting ripples? Am I start getting ripples, guys? Let me know in the comments, cause I think I see ripples. I think I see ripples. Alright, y'all, so my hair is kind of damp right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and just apply. So I just saw this hair mayo. I just saw this hair mayo right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and use just a little bit of portion, just a tiny bit. About this big, alright? About this big, and we're just gonna apply it to my hair. Just to keep it a little bit moisturized, you know? Just a little bit moisturized. Just like that. Keep it laid all nice and laid. And then now we can go ahead and open up the wave button right here. The wave button. Open it up. And use about a penny size of it. This big, right? We're gonna apply it through the hair. And then we're gonna get the medium brush. The medium brush. And then we're gonna go ahead and hit a brush session for a good 15 to 20 minutes. Let's go. Alright, now that we already hit the brush session with the medium brush, we're gonna go ahead and hit the brush session with the soft brush and go ahead and finalize that. Alright, so now that we did the finalize with the soft brush, I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of my brushing oil moisturizer. Just a little bit. Rub it through hands. Go ahead and put it across your head. Like that. And then do a little bit more, just like to spread it apart, you know, put it around. Alright, so now we're just gonna go ahead and put the do-rag on, and that'll be it. Alright, y'all. That'll be it for today's video. Make sure you guys like, comment. If you're new to this channel, subscribe. I'll see y'all in week 2. Without further ado, we're out.
No time. This guy gave me another day to grind.